Hi, it's Dr. Curtis.
And you see Curtis from Dyslexic and Unstoppable. Our mission is to help dyslexics rediscover their inner power.
That's right, and this is another one of our life hacks for dyslexia, focusing on fine motor help. And this is more for math, right? What's a quick and easy thing that a parent can do to help their child with their math?
For our son, the fine motors were an issue and still kind of are, but especially in math, because you have to align, right, the numbers. One of the things that we, usually the kids just use lined papers, and we did it on purpose, so we know the answer doesn't add up and it's not the right answer, so don't worry about it. But what we're trying to show you is when you don't align numbers right, you don't get the right answer. And it's usually not because you don't know the answer, it's because it's a spacing error, right? So one of the things that we learned is to use graph paper, and you can buy some, obviously. It's that graphic paper, but a lot of times there's like two different kinds. There's this kind and there's a little bigger one, but it was still very tiny,
Small, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So one of the things that we did when he was very little was to make paper.
Yeah.
So he would bring it to school and it would help him. And then you can...
Yeah, and this is easy enough to do. I mean, we just did this on the computer. You just go on any kind of Word document type thing and you put in a table like that. It makes a graph, and it does it nice easily. And it just helps for the child who's got fine motor issues where their writing may not be perfect, so that, part of the thing is, if you're multiplying multiple things, digits like this, and then you've got to line it up, if you line it incorrectly, even though you know the math and you get the math right, you get the answer wrong, right? And that can be one of the most frustrating things for kids, because they're working as hard as they can, they did the math right, they understand the math, and just because of a fine motor issue, they misalign it and they get the wrong answer. And then of course that goes to their self-esteem and all the other stuff we always talk about, right? So just another quick hack for dyslexics. We'd love to hear what you think. Leave us a comment below and visit us at Dyslexic and Unstoppable. Oh, and by the way, don't forget we are having an upcoming free class. It's going to be 5 classes. It's coming up soon. I'll leave some description in the sign-up link down in the description also. All right, thanks a lot.